All right, so let's go to the next thing. Telesin, they have this really nice looking case. So if you have any of these GoPros, it'll work for that. You just kind of throw your GoPro in your backpack. You know, even though they can take a beating, sometimes you don't want that scuff mark. Sometimes you don't want any scratches just in case. So it's kind of nice to just pop it in there. And you can see it's got like a hard case, nice fabric feel, and on the inside is a really soft felt, and it has the cutout for your camera. It doesn't work with your max lens, unfortunately. That would have been very nice, but the thing that's cool about it is there is an opening at the bottom, so when you do zip it up, you could still access, or you could still keep it on your selfie stick. So if you had a selfie stick attached here, you could just put the case on it, throw that in your bag, and it will keep it safe. If someone was getting like a GoPro to someone as a present and you're looking for some extra side presents, this is a great one. I do like it a lot, and this specific one I think I've had for a couple of years now, so it does hold up. I can highly recommend.
Now.